matter where you go or what you do, you still have to get there.
Tire safety is often overlooked, especially by newly approved drivers. Letting tires go unchecked can result low pressure, bald, or unbalanced tires, leading to more dangerous driving environments on local roads, highways, and interstates. Here's a tire expert to talk about tire safety and why it is important to drivers today.
So my name's Chad Miller. I'm the manager of the Les Schwab Tire Center in Hailey, Idaho. Really, the tires are the only thing between you and the road. So they're very important. You want to make sure that you're checking the tread depth often. Check your air every 30 days, make sure they're in good shape, and take it to a professional, once in a while and have them check it out. It's very easy to have an irregularly worn tire and not be able to see it. If you've got inside shoulder wear on a tire, unless you've got the car in the air or you're crawling underneath the car to look, you're not going to know. And rotating your tires every 3,000 to 5,000 miles is very important. You're going to get better mileage out of them. And that also gives us an opportunity to look at your tires as well. Air pressure is important to check because that is what keeps the tire wearing evenly, and it changes the handling of your car if you don't have the right tire pressure. A lot of cars these days have sensors in them that'll tell you when your tires are low, but that's not something that you want to depend on. We recommend that you have your air checked every 30 days. Just to maintain the proper air pressure so you get the maximum amount of wear that you can get out of the tires, and it'll also affect the gas mileage you get out of your car. As far as rotating your tires, it's very important to do that to get longevity out of your tires. If you don't move the tires around and change the positions of where the tires are at, it causes them to wear out prematurely. Checking your tread depth, there is what they call a wear bar in your tire. And it's kind of a raised part of the rubber, and it goes across the whole tread face around the tire. That's a good reference point to give you an idea of how your tread's wearing. That bar will be at 2/32 seconds of tread, which they consider to be legally bald. So if you're running on that wear bar or you're getting close to it, that'll give you a good indication of where your tread life is. A snow tire is going to have a softer rubber compound. They're built to give you better traction when it's cold outside. An all-season tire will typically have a harder compound, which gives you better longevity, but when it gets really cold outside, they don't tend to get as good a traction. So that's something to take into consideration too when you're looking at your snow tires. They're still snow tires with soft rubber, but how much tread do they have on there, and are they going to still provide you good traction?
So remember, on your next adventure, no matter where you go or what you do, you still have to get there. Simply checking your tires often can reduce the risk of a crash or obstacle from your next adventure. Check your tires. Assure your safety as others do the same. Tread wisely.